Hello everyone, my name's Jene. Welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Today's video I've got an unboxing and an unbagging. We're going to do the unbagging first and then we'll open up the box. I'm kind of curious to find out what the box is. I have an idea, but we won't know for sure until that box is open. So we're just going to put that right over there. Now this bag comes from Diamond Pens and it's a Facebook group. If you're interested in acrylics and hybrids, wood pens, this is the store for you. They are great. They have beautiful, beautiful pens and I can't wait to see this one. So if I can open the bag here, you know what? It's been a long day and I don't have patience. So, all right. So there's the pen. And here are the attachments. So Diamond Pens always includes attachments to their pins. So it looks like we've got a 9-placer, a 3-placer, and a 6-placer. She also includes rockets. Yum. Love the rockets. So let's take a look. What does this say? Pretty things inside. Nice. All right, so I think I bid on this pen last week. And oh wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that pen. That is gorgeous. Now again, this is Diamond Pens off of Facebook. They have just the most beautiful pens and I love the style of these pens. They are so nice and they're really nice in the hand. So again, this is Diamond Pens and I'll have that information down below in the description. If you're interested in taking a look, you won't be disappointed. She has just amazing pens. All right. Put that off to the side. And let's take a look at the box. Now, the box is a bit scrunched, but you know, it's okay. As long as the diamond painting inside is in good condition, I'm not going to complain. But I am interested to finding out who this came from. I am waiting for 2 other paintings, and I definitely know that this is not the one I ordered from Hoolican. I ordered an LED Christmas scene, and I don't think it's this one. The other painting that I ordered back in the middle of May, and I have been watching the tracking on that painting. The last time I checked, which was on Thursday, it still was bouncing from one city to the next in China. So I don't think it's that one either. So the only thing I can think of is that this would be my Meian order. And if it is, kudos to them because they got this out really quick if that's the case. Okay, there's the box. This box has seen some better days. It is scrunched. It is folded. It has, the ends are pretty much busted out. Anyway, let's take a look and see what I have. So I hope everybody's day is really well. My day, like I said, has just been completely crazy. If there was, let's put it this way, if there was a rewind button and I could rewind back to 4:30 this morning, I would, and redid the whole day over again. But unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. So let's pull this out. Okay, I know where it came from. This came from the Meian store. I can't believe it. I ordered this 3 weeks ago and it It came faster than the other orders I placed in the last week of May. I'm happy to see it though, so I'm really excited to show you this painting. It's really pretty. But let's go over the small stuff first. Cheapy pair of tweezers, which will go in the garbage. They always include 2 tool kits, 2 regular boats, 2 large pieces of wax, 2 basic pink pens, 2 of the really nice thin 4-placers. You've got your Ziploc bags and your labels. One thing about Meian store that I really like is they always provide a lot of extra Ziploc bags, and they provide the self-adhesive labels, which I really do like. So, you know, the tray and the pins are basic, but everything else is really nice. So we'll put that off to the side. So let's open this up and take a look at the canvas. Oop, there we go. All right. So we're not going to show you the image yet. And let's give this canvas just a little bit of time to lay out flat. Here are the drills. So we've got some really beautiful colors in here. Some purples, corals, grays, oranges, really pretty colors. So let's set that off to the side. And the canvas looks a bit wrinkled, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. I can put this in between a box spring and a mattress, and that should pretty much straighten out all the wrinkles in here, but I'm not overly concerned about that. So here is the image. So this painting is called Happy Halloween. It is a 40 by 50 full round. Oh my gosh, guys, 45 colors. Wow, that is a lot of colors. Whew, okay. Looks like a lot of color blocking, which is going to be really nice. The drill field looks really clear. The schematic is a bit small. I am going to say that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom the camera in, and we're going to take a look at the clarity of the drill field and the clarity of the schematics. So hold on. All right, so let's pull this back, and I'm going to bring this up to the lens. And please excuse the dog. That's Rain. She's a little upset right now. Very clear drill field. Try to keep the glare off of that. And then here is the schematic. Schematic is very clear, easy to read. The only downfall with this schematic is it's very tiny. So you can see there is 45 colors. So I'm going to bring the camera back out so we can take a look at the drills. Let's flip this upside down. Okay, so everyone, if you are sensitive to the sound of the bag opening, please go ahead and mute your devices until you see me stop struggling with the bag. Then you know it's safe to turn the volume back on. Here we go. Okay. Got an assortment of different colors here. and a bag. This is interesting. This is the first time I've ever gotten drills in a bag like this from Meian. But you know, as long as it's all there, it's all good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed up the camera, insert some music, do my inventory real quick, and I will be right back. All right, everyone, we are back, and I'm so sorry for the pause. Unfortunately, somebody was knocking at the door. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that all the colors are accounted for. I had one little problem with one of the bags. It kind of exploded, but I got all the drills, so we're okay with that. So we're going to put that off to the side. Let's take one last look at this canvas. Here we go. Again, this comes from the Meian store off of AliExpress. It's a 40 by 50 full round drill, 45 colors. Looks like it's going to be a lot of color blocking, maybe a little bit of confetti through here, but not too terribly bad. And I don't see any issues as far as the symbols. So by saying that, everyone, I'm just going to share with you a little bit about this canvas. And me and Rob, aka Diamond Painting Dog Dad, have been speaking about doing a Halloween collaboration and paint along. And we've decided that we're going to do the same painting. So Rob will be unboxing his painting shortly. And what we're going to be doing is every week, starting the first week of September until the end of October, we'll be doing some whip-in chats. Now, we're still working out the details, but at the end of the collaboration, myself and Rob will be doing a giveaway. So you'll have 2 chances to win a prize. So I hope that you all join us. And again, that would be with Rob, aka Diamond Painting Dog Dad. So by saying that, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell's going to let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, if it's morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Jene. Thank you for spending some time with me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.